Welcome back, guys.
What are we going to open today, Reg?
A Charizard pack.
Let's see. Show it. From Evolutions, this is our pack number 2. We're trying to collect them all.
Yeah.
And complete our deck.
And we're trying to get Green Mewtwo.
I don't know if that's in it, but here we go, guys.
Okay, here we go.
So, what did I say? Did I say that?
Say whatever you want, buddy.
Guys. So, my dad is...
Who's this, right?
We're getting Pikachu. What is that Pokemon?
Poliwag.
Poliwag. And...
Caterpie.
And Diglett.
Diglett. Ooh.
And Electro.
No, that's Voltorb.
Voltorb.
Who's this? Another. We got the reverse one this time.
Whoa.
Cool. We got, on our first pack, what we got Gyarados, but the regular holo. That's really cool. Check that out, guys. What?
What?
We got Charizard, buddy. Oh my god.
How many Charizards are we gonna get?
That's awesome, guys. There we go. Kakuna and Pokedex.
Yeah, Dad.
Wow.
Dad.
Let's show these ones again.
Dad, this one's cool.
Look at this, guys.
Oh, look
Wow.
at this.
Thanks for watching, guys. Say bye, Rick.
Bye.